Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating English word. Our word of the day is daily, a really useful adverb. So what does daily mean? Well, daily simply means every day. It describes something that happens or is done each day. It's that straightforward. We use it all the time in everyday language to talk about routines, habits, and occurrences that happen on a regular basis. Now, let's explore some synonyms for daily. Think of words that convey the same idea of every day. A good synonym is everyday. For example, instead of saying I check my email daily, you could say I check my email every day. Another synonym is regularly. We might say he exercises daily or he exercises regularly. Notice how both words express the consistent nature of the activity. Another useful synonym is day-to-day. You could say the daily tasks are quite repetitive or the day-to-day tasks are quite repetitive. They both mean the same thing, indicating the ordinary tasks that happen each day. Now, let's consider antonyms, words with the opposite meaning of daily. If daily means every day, what words suggest something that happens less frequently? A good antonym is rarely. For instance, I daily drink coffee means I drink coffee every day, whereas I rarely drink coffee means I hardly ever drink coffee. Another antonym is occasionally. We could say she daily visits her grandmother, contrasting with she occasionally visits her grandmother. This highlights the difference between a regular, daily visit and one that happens now and then. Another opposite of daily is never. I see him daily is completely different from I never see him. Never implies that something doesn't happen at all, which is the opposite of something happening every day. Another good contrasting word is weekly. I daily go for a walk, meaning I go for a walk every day, as opposed to I weekly go for a walk, which means I go once a week. Now, let's explore how daily is used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "What's your daily routine?" This refers to the sequence of things they do each day. Or perhaps someone says, "I have a daily commute to work," meaning they travel to work every day. You could also hear the phrase "the daily news," referring to news that is updated every day. Common expressions include things like daily bread, referring to essential food, even though we don't literally eat bread every day. It represents the necessities of life. You might also hear about daily life, which encompasses all the usual things we do on a day-to-day basis. Here are some more examples of daily in sentences. I take a daily walk in the park at 6 p.m. She reads the newspaper daily to stay informed. He receives a daily report from his team. What is your daily word count goal when you are writing your novel? The store offers daily discounts on different products. We need to track our daily expenses to manage our budget effectively. Taking a daily multivitamin helps improve your health. The teacher gives the students daily homework assignments. They have a daily meeting to discuss project updates. My grandfather enjoys his daily cup of tea after lunch. The daily temperature has been rising steadily over the past week. She relies on the daily train to get to her job downtown. His daily practice is the key to success. The bakery sells fresh bread daily. We review our daily sales figures in the evening. Remember to take your medicine daily. She appreciates the daily support of her family. It's important to maintain daily personal hygiene. This is a daily necessity for most people in the world. My daily run is about 5 kilometers. So, to recap, daily means every day. Synonyms include everyday, regularly, and day-to-day, and antonyms include rarely, occasionally, never, and weekly. It's a word we use constantly to describe routines and things that happen consistently. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word daily helpful and informative. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, Please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn English with us. And now for a challenge. Create your own sentence using the word daily and share it as a comment under this episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.